My name is Stephanie Hillenberg. I got started with LadyBoss in April of 2016. It was still tool time, and I really only got the app because I need a lot of help with nutrition. I kind of already knew what to do working out wise, but I had just had a baby. I had gained 60 pounds, and I didn't. Fast forward 3 years later, still had 60 pounds after having the baby, and trying everything that I had already known how to do, but needed more and needed a solution to my nutrition problem. So I saw Kaelin and I was like, wow, this girl's telling me the truth. She's down to earth. She's speaking to me like a friend would speak to me. And so I immediately got the 7-day trial, and it didn't take very long to sign up for the monthly. And then I didn't look at it for a while until July 28th, 2016. And then it was LadyBoss all of a sudden. I said, what is this tool time and LadyBoss? What is this LadyBoss thing? And then that's when it really clicked, when it became LadyBoss. The description and the definition of what a LadyBoss was, what I really wanted to be, taking control of my life, taking control of my family, taking control of my career, believing in myself, believing that I could do it every day on a daily basis. And I just set out that day, July 28th, 2016, to lose weight, and I lost 57 pounds.
Wow, that's awesome. That's so cool.
Yeah.
So what else has changed in your life since you made that big change?
Well, my daughter's 5 now, and she knows everything LadyBoss, and my son is 16, and he knows everything LadyBoss and how important it is to me. But I think more importantly, I've been able to lead by example, encourage others, other women, my family, my friends, the sisters in the Sisterhood mostly, be able to encourage them, lead by example every single day, so they can see what it really takes to reach your goals. I feel like I've reached my physical goal, but the cool thing about LadyBoss is that you never ever stop growing emotionally, spiritually, mentally. The weight loss becomes the icing on the cake, and everything else that you learn about yourself and continue to learn about yourself, that's really where the work is, where your happiness comes from, for your love for your others and your sisters come from. It's not the weight loss, it's all of the other stuff. Yeah. That's the really important thing.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
Yeah. So have you had any big breakthroughs along the way on that journey?
Yeah, I mean, I've been a personal trainer for 15 years. My mother's a personal trainer, so we were talking about knowing what to do, but not really having the personal tools. Like, I tell people, well, you have a certification that says you're a personal trainer, but until you actually implement all of those things into your life, you really can't teach or help others to do it. So I think the realization was I've been teaching all these people all this time that you could have a 3-day-a-week training program and make it happen for yourself, but really you have to be engaged every single day. You can't just say, oh, I worked out yesterday and now I'm going to put this away and today I'm going to be a non-LadyBoss. You have to be a LadyBoss every day. You have to show up every day. You have to plan your meals, you have to get your workouts in, because it just doesn't feel quite right when you don't do it. You can't be a part-time LadyBoss. You gotta be a full-time LadyBoss.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
What's been the most fun about being a LadyBoss?
It's the Sisterhood. The Sisterhood is second to none. I mean, I've never met so many motivating women, so many encouraging stories, and then when you get on there and encourage others or share your experience and they're writing back to you how encouraging you are, it's so reciprocal. It's an amazing process to do what you said you were going to do, and everybody views you doing what you said you were going to do, and they say, that's awesome. Keep doing what you're doing. You're like, wow, that was awesome. I just got back what I gave, you know, and with no effort. So that's like, I think the coolest thing about it.
What advice would you give to someone who was like you that invested in it, but then kind of put it on the shelf and walked away for a while?
That's a good question. Pick it back up, take it one step at a time, only focus on the first 24 hours in front of you, what you could do to make your day better, make your day easier, as far as like planning your food, planning your exercise, and then just actually do what you said you were gonna do. It sounds like a simple thing, but once you get in the groove of doing what you said you're gonna do, it's like automatic pilot, you know? That's really it. Just do what you said you were gonna do.
There you go.